बिहेव कैसे करते हैं।
उस दिन मैंने जब ड्राइंग सेशन लिया था मैंने एक लड़की से पूछा, मैंने कहा बेटा
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone.
मॉर्निंग मैम।
Good morning.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम।
Good morning. How many girls are there from commerce section? Lakshita? Lakshita? Sneha? Who else is there from commerce section?
मैम only 2 are there.
Only 2 are there. Okay. Suryansh Vikram? Suryansh Vikram is not a girl. Good morning, Divya ma'am.
good morning. Girls, videos on beta
Keep your videos on.
so that I can take screenshots. Neha, Sakshi. Nobody from commerce section. Acha, Lakshita is there. Only one Lakshita, that's all.
Sneha Jaiswal is also there.
Sneha, yes, Sneha is there.
Sneha, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Beta, you need to be present here.
Chika Singh.
Yes, ma'am. I was.
Only 2 girls are there in commerce section. The entire strength is 37 or 38.
But
11
hardly,
seats.
but they are not seen. They are invisible.
So many days, Meher, Mannat, all these girls are
हाँ,
not
हाँ.
attending classes, new admissions. Bani is also not coming these days.
Ma'am, nobody
Earlier.
except Lakshita and one more boy, 2 boys.
Akshat.
Akshat and Muhammad Saad. Varun also has come.
Varun has started coming.
But
Yes.
others are not seen at all. At all. They're for the entire year they'll be invisible, ma'am.
I wonder. Earlier, Bani was coming. She was very regular. Now she's also joined the same track.
Same group.
Meher,
They're
Mannat
getting
were
inspired by
coming.
it. Meher and
Now they-
Mannat, they gave a personal message to me that they'll be joining the class, but they have not turned up. Nobody
What
is
to do?
Ma'am, what about
What
the
will happen?
internals? Ma'am, what
We'll
about
give
the
zero.
internals? Zero for
Zero,
sure.
zero.
Zero,
For
zero.
sure.
For sure.
We have lot of other work. Every Saturday we are calling you, we are counseling you, threatening you, everything we have done. Now see, let's do pen is
There's no
mightier than
pleading. Ma'am, now let them plead us and we will not listen to their pleadings now.
yes,
Enough of it.
exactly. And let the
Enough of it.
parents come and say, let the parents come and say that you have given a zero. We want that to happen.
We want that to happen for sure. We
Yes.
are ready to face the parents. We have the proof also.
Yes.
On what
We,
account? On what is the ground on which we should give you marks? There is no ground. We don't have any proof.
and
We
they're
don't
not
have
even
any.
realizing if their attendance is going to be short, they won't be promoted also. We have told them many times now. Now
And
it is
if
their
they're
life.
absent, and if they're absent in internals, if they're absent or if they get zero in internal, for sure they will not get promoted.
Exactly. And remember, this is going to happen in all subjects. It is not
all
English. Hmm.
The ma'am
Same
I have
condition.
observed, I have observed commerce classes also. The condition is the same. Condition is almost the same. But in at least few of them turn up for economics and all. But for English, I don't know. They are taking it for granted that they know English. It's not about that. Maybe they are being nostalgic with the marks which they got in 10th standard, and they seem to they're feeling they'll get the same marks in 11th also.
Peter, you're going to suffer. Nothing else. Iti, are you there? Iti Azad.
It
Yes,
is there.
ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. This responsibility we give you to take screenshots of all the participants. Will you be able to do this?
Okay,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
let everyone switch on their video right now in the very beginning. Let us see their faces whether they are not. And there are many in the the Drashti, I haven't seen you since ages. You stopped coming to English classes also, Drashti.
Ananya, very good. Please switch
Open
on
your
your
video.
videos,
Each one
all
of
of
you,
you.
open your video, each one of you.
Take screenshots. Iti will take screenshots. Please switch on your
Soni
videos.
Sharma, please switch on your video.
Lakshita,
Uditi, Sakshi. Sakshi, what happened to you? You're quite irregular these days. You stopped coming for English classes, getting inspired by
Sakshi and
others.
Srishti. Yes, ma'am. I agree with you. Sakshi and Srishti, they were very regular earlier.
Yes, yes. Now they have also. I don't know who has motivated them not to come. Drishti, is that you?
Ananya,
Sakshi,
Ananya,
I'm not
switch on
getting any
your camera.
response from you. Sakshi,
Yes, ma'am.
beta, what is the problem? Share your problem.
Soni Sharma, Uditi, Drishti,
Shashti,
videos on.
keep your video
Iti
on.
takes
There in the class.
Anshika
Yes,
has
ma'am.
already done this video. Very good.
We're all girls here. Okay, all of us are girls. Some
Uditi,
grown-ups.
Drishti. Srishti, any problem with your camera?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, dear. Yes, you're there. Uditi, camera.
Ma'am,
At
I'm
least
meeting
new
this girl for the first
Yes,
time.
ma'am.
Shashti Mittal in person. I'm meeting her for the first time.
Exactly, ma'am. New admissions, even I'm seeing that, and me too. I'm not accustomed to these class 10 children also, no? Ariba also, I'm seeing the first time only.
Ariba has once come to my class, once or twice.
Mansi is a new admission. Mansi also is a
And
new
this,
admission.
what about the old ones? Soumya has stopped coming to the class. Ma'am, actually the syllabus is over, no? So they are not bothered now. And they know each and every chapter. They'll be getting 100 80 out of 80 in written and 0 in internals. Yes, Shashti, and we are very serious about it. Very
Yes,
serious.
very good,
Quite
Mansi.
serious.
Sony, Uditi is already joined us. Sony and Sakshi, Drishti, videos on. Iti, please
Drishti,
take
beta, if you
screenshot.
are there, I think you can, your name is Drishti. So please, so please keep your video on so that you can see us.
Drishti is there. Sakshi. Sakshi is also a new admission. I've seen you for the first time today, beta.
Sakshi.
Sakshi Mishra. She's
Ma'am,
new admission.
no, Sakshi Mishra is not a new admission. For you,
Not
she
a
is
new
a new admission.
Okay.
Sakshi, what happened to
Okay.
you? Who told you not to attend our classes? Tell me.
Thought she's a new admission.
For you,
No.
ma'am, she's a new admission. See, look at you, Sakshi. You are waiting to hear that you are a new admission. You were quite
thought
regular
she
in our classes. What happened suddenly, Sakshi? For Divya ma'am, you are a new admission, and all of you are new admissions. Ritul, Lakshita, Uditi, all of you are new admissions for Divya ma'am.
I thought they're new admissions only.
And they are new admissions for you.
Anyway, this child is regular for biology classes.
Who?
Mansi, these days you're not regular for bio classes. What happened? Mansi, Sony. What happened here? These days you're not regular for bio classes also. Syllabus is not over.
Ma'am, I'm left.
Oh. Most of them are bio students here, ma'am. Ritul is bio.
Huh?
Ma'am, I am
And
attending from starting.
हाँ बेटा, please attend. The syllabus is not yet over in biology. We still have about 5-6 chapters left.
And
चलिए.
Sneha,
Iti,
Sneha is teacher's what? Ma'am, Sneha, where are you? Yes, Sneha. You're not visible
Yes.
now? Sneha.
Excuse
Ma'am, she
Yes,
is Ravi sir's daughter. Ravi sir's daughter. She is
हाँ,
the one.
Sneha. But she is regular. She comes for her classes. Where is Lakshita? Lakshita is very regular.
Ma'am, Sneha, I haven't seen Sneha. She has hardly turns up. Lakshita is the most regular one. Uditi, quite regular. Ritul also,
Lakshita.
Soni also.
Yes,
Sneha
Lakshita.
Jaswal, Sneha Jaswal, you know, I don't want to comment on her. I think she'll be able to take care of her English by herself, and we'll see it in the final result. When you'll have to come to school to give your exam. Remember that, all of you. There will be
This time
tests on that
she will be coming
performance.
to school.
Then there will be no more online tests for you people.
Exactly.
Remember that, Sneha and all.
Everybody, you need to come to school this time. Okay,
We will
Drishti,
not do that.
any problem in your video? Drishti,
To opening it, but
okay.
it's
Mansi is already there. Mansi is a new admission. I know about her. Iti,
Mansi
you've
is
taken the
great.
screenshots?
yes, ma'am.
All screenshots are done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Beta, we'll just simply start. Surbhi ma'am is also there to guide you. Supposing you are in a market or in a road, isolated place, and you feel unsafe. What will you do? What help number will you dial? Anybody?
181.
Yes, girls. What is the first thing that you'll do? Obviously, you would need police help. Which number will you dial? Which is the latest number which is launched for the women helpline?
112.
112.
No, 112 is not women helpline. No. 112 is not women helpline. That is normal. जो police का earlier we had 100 number. Now it is changed to 112. Earlier we had a universal number.
Sneha, why are you saying this, what do you call it? Huh?
112.
You're getting direct message from inside the mouth.
Any
Yes,
accident,
yes,
anything
yes.
can be reported on 112. But women helpline is what number, beta? Anybody?
1098.
1090.
1090. Perfect. I got this answer from.
Anshika.
Okay. Very good,
Anshika is quite
Anshika.
alert.
It is excellent. It is 1090. Too good. Recently, Yogi government launched up with Mission Shakti. You know about it. Some provisions, some special things. Now they have a women desk in every police station. So you need not go and contact the men staff in police stations. You'll have a women help desk in every police station. You have to simply go and talk to the women over there. You'll have a women inspector, you'll have women constables. So it'll be easier for girls and women to go and approach now. They will not feel hesitant over here. These are some new things which have come up, but how useful they are, what are your experiences? This is what we are going to discuss, and what you can do individually. See, beta, just one of you knew the number. So God forbid if somebody lands up in trouble, what will you do? By the time your parents will reach you, it will be, a lot of time will go wasted. So please be alert, all of you. Let's start. Okay, let's start with the discussions.
Okay, Sakshi, start. Sakshi, ma'am,
Yes.
Sakshi will speak.
Okay,
Very good
everybody,
speaker.
please
Start.
speak beta, all of you.
Each one of you have to contribute something. Suppose Sakshi is stuck on the road and experience eve teasing. What would you do?
Everybody will speak, Peter. Everybody.
Ma'am, first of all, we will call the women's helpline number.
Sakshi, are you
Yes, ma'am.
speaking? Ha, beta, come on. I have given you a situation.
I need a minute.
Okay, beta. Think over it and tell me. I hope the meaning of eve teasing is understood to everyone. Is there anybody who has not understood eve teasing? This is a very common practice. Okay, Sakshi.
Ma'am, first things first, I'll call on women helpline, that is 1090.
Okay.
And but it's not like they'll reach instantly. And second thing that I suggest that we should have a pepper spray. And the most common thing which I felt when ma'am said that girls, this meeting is for girls, I would like to say that I guess this idea is quite wrong. We should involve boys. I mean, they should know what they are doing wrong. I mean, it's good that people are making us aware about everything, but boys should also know what they are doing wrong. I mean, they should also be they should also be taught how to behave, right? That's what I was thinking.
That is why, beta, when we had the first session, we had it both for boys as well as girls together only. Even they should realize the family upbringing, no doubt, has to be taken care of. We completely agree.
Yes. So the first thing is, Sakshi, what is required to be aware? When I asked you this question, you said that you'll be what? Calling the number, which we discussed just now. Is it or not? So first thing, what is required on everybody's part? Anshika, Uditi, Sneha, awareness. Is it or not?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
awareness is required
Yes,
to raise
ma'am.
your voice,
Yes,
to
ma'am.
raise
Yes,
your
ma'am.
voice. That is very, very important, which is lacking actually. That is the place where we lack. We avoid, we take it for granted, and we move ahead. We avoid. Should we avoid? Should we avoid?
No, ma'am.
Not at all.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Do not tolerate such kind of nuisance at
No,
all.
ma'am.
That is the first step which could change the society. And for that, girls have to take the initiative themselves. Agreed or not? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now, this initiative is very important. This awareness is very important to speak. And what happens in most of the cases, Soumya? Girls don't speak. Agreed or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Keep tolerating. They keep tolerating. And then when the things go beyond their hand, then it is too late for them to react. And then such kind of incidences such as acid attack or rape or molestations, they happen unabated. Agreed or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Come on, come on, say what is required first of all.
Ma'am, yesterday I was checking
Awareness.
Google, ma'am. There are so many cases of acid attacks.
See, so why are they increasing? That means why? How come the boys are getting encouraged to do so? Because girls are not reacting.
Exactly, ma'am.
And see what happens.
Yes, ma'am.
Nothing-
Even parents,
do not find any-
don't allow them to. Yes, ma'am.
No, such kind of
I
incidents.
think they get boosted when girls don't react.
Just goes react. That means such incidences they don't happen overnight or instantly. It's not that the boys just stand with the acid bottle and they wait for the girls to pass and then they throw. Those girls are known to the boys. And that
Yes,
means the
ma'am.
boys would have tried number of times to tease them, to pass remarks. Is it or not? And the girl would have not responded. And then what happens? Such kind of incidences happen. Is it or not? Agreed or not? So whom would you blame for that? Whom would you blame for that? Come on, please.
Ma'am, both.
Both equally,
Both of them.
both of them. But first, who should have taken the who should whom do you find more responsible for such kind of incidences to occur?
Girls.
Girls, of course.
Yes, beta, you should not ignore. The first thing which ma'am is also trying to tell you, don't ignore such things. Even small things are important. They may become dangerous later. Don't ignore.
Chasing, eve teasing, everything starts from there. Is it or not? And when you start avoiding, this continues. And that could reach to serious crimes against girls, against you. Yes?
Every time a government launches some drive, some sessions and workshops are done in schools, some awareness programs are done. But then again back to square, we go back from where we started.
Why does it happen, Anshika? Why are we only, why do we keep organizing such kind of seminars, workshops, but the results are futile? When these policies, when these laws are brought into action, that means they are, what is the problem?
Ma'am, the problem is that when women don't raise their voices, then government need to spread awareness. But after that also, some girls and they do not take actions. They do not go to police stations, and they are afraid of their identity to ex- and they so that no, the government do such things just to spread awareness. But then, if somebody is not the victim, then she would not raise her voice. But this happens only when no, only example is set by the victim. So, government is just doing to spread awareness that if you can save you just need to see there you just not need to stand and see there, you have to take action
React.
against it.
React. Whatever the laws are enforced, they need to be applied also. And you should
Yes,
be
ma'am.
knowing where and when you need to apply them. This application is missing. Is it or not? And that is why the boys are what? Encouraged. The males are encouraged
Yes, ma'am.
because they know it very well. That many of you would hardly speak, would hardly refer at your home that what happened to you. So don't just ignore. Even if somebody, this sounds to be very small thing that you are being chased by someone. Okay, you should not take it for granted. React there and there itself. You'll get the support there and there itself. But you don't ask for the support. Do you ask
Please
for the
keep
support?
reading newspapers. Be aware of the world around you. I've seen most of the girls, they're not interested. They're not reading newspapers.
They are not aware of what is happening around them.
Education does not mean, beta, only reading your books and knowing the syllabus chapters. If you're not aware about things around you, the confidence will never come in you. If you're caught in trouble, nobody is going to ask you questions of physics and biology. Your general
No.
awareness, exactly, general aware. How many of you actually read newspapers? Even you don't know what is going around you. How many of you know about the Hathras incident?
Ariba, what happened in Hathras?
Yes, ma'am.
Ariba, beta, what
Yes,
happened in
Yes,
Hathras?
ma'am.
Ariba,
You know?
Ariba, come on. Do you know what happened in Hathras?
Yes,
Huh?
ma'am.
Okay. Whom would you blame, the girl or the boy?
Of course, the boys should be blamed, but the larger responsibility lies on the police officers who try to dump the matter.
Okay, see, so that means, see, you're not aware of the latest developments. It is being traced
What
out
about
that the boy
Punjab?
was involved.
Yes, beta, what about Punjab? Recently, a 6-year-old girl, only 6-year-old. Imagine. And the neighbors. It was neighbors 40 plus the age 40, 45 years old, 2 men, neighbors, who offered her to buy some sweets and biscuit for the child. And the child went with them. 6 years old girl. Now, what is the solution here? Where are we wrong?
Now, at times only infants are being raped, no? 6 months, 7 months, 8 months. What about them?
Exactly.
Ma'am,
The society should be aware a 6-month-old girl or 6-year-old child will not be aware of.
Yes, of course, not be aware. Fine, not be aware.
ma'am, through the news and media, we know about the case, but what the punishment did they get about that?
Yes, that is not being questioned. That is not, so who has to question that, beta?
Ma'am, everyone questioning
Every-
that.
Everyone is questioning that, but that question doesn't reach to the required channel, required source. Is it or not? Is it or not? Priya Gangwar, I haven't heard you say it. Can you say something about that? Priya,
Yes, ma'am.
will you share your views about it?
Solution.
Yes, Priya.
will be created. Like people don't understand. I mean, all the policies and all, they are not implemented exactly.
Okay, but how many of you go and go to raise your voice to register a complaint? How many girls? They take the initiative.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am, that is lacking.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am,
Ma'am, the
don't
girls and the families don't take initiative in response that it could happen with them also
Yes.
or with girls.
So unless and until
Excellent.
we become the
Excellent.
victim, we don't react. Unless and until we become the victim, we don't react. That is the problem.
Ma'am, the verdict takes a lot of time. I just searched for Arushi Talwar's case. It was the case of 2008 and the verdict was passed in 2017. It took almost 9 to 10 years. So,
So,
ma'am,
what is
but
that?
this,
So that means, of course, delay in justice. That is another issue.
Ma'am, the culprits get delays and they get easily escaped. Ma'am, like the
So what is the suggestion from your end? What should be done?
Ma'am, first of all, the law should be concerned about the rape cases and the more justice should be provided to this area and field.
So that means, what do you want from your end? What do you want? What kind of solution? Suggest some
Ma'am,
solutions
Ma'am,
that we
straight
need to
away
tackle.
encounter.
Case-
Straight away encounter.
Yes, ma'am, direct
Yes, ma'am.
encounter.
Direct encounter.
Ma'am, if police
Ma'am.
could have
No, ma'am,
been
that
the
shouldn't be the
No
case.
chances should be given to those people.
That means
No,
girls should
ma'am,
be
that
told,
shouldn't be the
yeah?
case.
You're saying
But
direct
ma'am,
encounter?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
it's
such
very wrong.
caste and
No
spirit
chances should be given to those people. They are not human beings. They are animals.
ma'am, the punishment should be
But
brutal.
until and unless the case isn't proven, how can we punish someone?
Yes, that is another issue.
Like there is a case in which
when
a
it's
girl,
proven.
Because
Just
in
on
which
the admission, we cannot sue someone.
yes, you cannot sue someone unless and until the guilty is proven.
Yes,
guilt is
exactly.
proven,
Until
yeah.
proved, we
How
cannot do.
And in that case,
Ma'am,
some of the courts could take the advantage of this law also.
Ma'am, but only due to proving the innocence of their victims, it takes a lot of time. The family of the girl suffers for very long.
Acha, recently
but-
there was a case. Just
This
wait.
doesn't
So
mean
that-
that we should
Ma'am,
compromise with real
Heard about the
justice.
case where a boy was beaten by the girl?
no, ma'am, there is a case in which a girl accused a boy for rape and
Acha, do you know about the case where the boy was being beaten by the
He
girl?
committed suicide.
yes, ma'am.
So whom would you
Yes,
blame
ma'am.
there?
The boy, he committed suicide, no? There was
Yes,
a
he
false
committed
He
allegation.
committed suicide.
Yes, he
So
committed
what is
suicide.
there?
It was a
Committed
false
suicide.
allegation.
What about such cases? Okay, so
That's why there is a proper time for this, but not 9 to 10, 1 month.
yes, there should be fast track courts. Okay, so that such kind of cases could be resolved easily.
Ma'am,
Shorter period of time.
Ma'am, but we can, I know we cannot sue someone for like it takes time, but 9 to 10 years, it's almost a decade. It's like
yes,
too much
ma'am.
time.
Yes, and
Yes,
during that
ma'am.
course of time, the guilty or the suspicious one can have all the privileges to prove himself not
And
guilty.
what about this politicalization of such incidents like offering money, compensation, financial? Does it actually compensate a family? Is it disrespecting?
This is a
Yes,
disrespect.
Ma'am, the punishment should be like, it should be strict and it should not be in the form of compensation. It should be just if the life has taken
Another,
means.
yes. Okay. Tit for tat. Sakshi, tit for tat, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
There
No,
should
if
be a
one
specific code for it.
specific code. And where? Okay. Female should be the judge or the men? Any?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
a
that doesn't
entire
matter.
committee should be made
That
with
doesn't
males
matter.
as well as females. Ma'am, an entire committee should be made with males as well as females as equal members.
Yes. When you're talking about equality, it has to be everywhere. Yes, we cannot blame all the men. We cannot blame all the men in the society. Okay. So that means, of
There
course,
should be specific.
hmm,
Ma'am, there should be a specific code, and the judgment should reach in 1 month. at the maximum
Why
time.
do you, why do you avoid going to police station to lodge a complaint? Come on, tell me, what is the reason behind it?
I guess the main
Ma'am,
reason
some
is
of
the
Ma'am, even parents
and
restrict.
there will be a
You're not audible enough. Drishti, I think you can speak if you cannot show us your video. Drishti, how could we be so quiet? And this quietness is alarming. Drishti,
Ma'am, many of the families don't go to the police stations to file the complaint as it will reduce their respect.
it could be, yes, it could be a blow to their dignity. That is what.
Excellent,
Yes,
beta.
ma'am, they
Very
are
nice.
afraid that
Very
the
nice.
reputation will
Parents
be reduced.
restrict. Yes, ma'am. Parents
Also,
restrict their girls to go
yes,
to
ma'am,
police station
What
to
other
file
people
an
would
FIR.
say about them.
Ma'am, sometimes girls' identity is also enclosed, so
Yes.
we should take care of that also.
Okay, for that.
yes,
a
ma'am,
Ma'am, there
and the
is
entire
proper
family
laws.
is exposed in front of the cameras and media.
Okay, they
Yes,
should not be exposed. So that
Like in the case,
That shouldn't happen.
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, we don't know the name of the we don't know the
victim.
name of the culprits, but we know the name of the victim, and that should not be the.
Yes, ma'am. That should not be done.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am.
the
They should not
culprit
What about the
expose.
culprit?
Name of the girl should not be
Notice
disclosed.
that their faces are what veiled. They are covered. Their faces should be what, revealed or not, exposed or not.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes,
Revealed.
ma'am.
And how
Yes,
ironical
I
it
think
is.
recently, with this Mission Shakti, Mr. Yogi has come up with this proposal that they'll be having posters on public places
Yes,
of all these men and guys who are involved in eve teasing.
that is
They'll
what
have posters.
posters
Yes,
should be
ma'am.
there.
Railway station, markets, all public
That
places.
the other girls maybe could be safe, could recognize them and play safe. That means they could be save themselves. They could save themselves in case they come across such kind of criminals,
Yes, ma'am.
such kind of perverts. What would you call? These are perverts. Yes, they are mentally unstable.
Exactly.
Okay, so we cannot stop them altogether, but at least we can prevent. Yes, Iti? Can we prevent? What about the incidences which happen in your homes? In our homes? They should be reported?
Yes, ma'am. They should be.
Yes, ma'am.
Mostly they are not reported. They are not
Domestic
reported.
violence.
But they should be reported.
They should be. What is should be and they must be? Priya, they should be or they must be?
Ma'am, must be.
Must.
Must be.
Must be.
But such kind of incidences, they are never what? Reported. And many a times it is observed that it's the family members, yes, who take the advantage. Family maybe, okay, cousins or relatives.
In families also, the daughters, they don't take initiative. Like we were discussing, Surbhi ma'am, if you remember in the previous session.
Yes.
Recently, beta, you must have read about that news. That lady was locked in the toilet for 1.5 years by the husband.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
She had a
ma'am.
grown-up daughter. Imagine she had a grown-up daughter, 15, 16 years old. Even the daughter did not complain. She could have easily done something. The daughter
And
was
it's the
just
family, ma'am. There was a plea. Then the family said that in their support, they defended themselves that the woman was mentally unstable. Fine, that could be the problem. But instead of locking her in the toilet, she should have gone to the hospital. They should have sought a doctor's advice.
Proper treatment.
Is it or not?
Treatment should be.
That is not a solution. We don't lock all the mentally unstable people in the toilet. And the daughter kept watching. How could she be so indifferent to her mother's plight?
This
And
is
that
the
was
problem, beta.
Was she influenced? Was she scared?
Ma'am, I think.
Was she scared?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
She would have been in pressure. So she also, that means being in the family, the father had all the power.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
but she could have taken the initiative by going to the police station or calling the helpline number.
Who could have gone? Who
You know
could
the
have gone?
story behind it.
Ma'am, their family members could have.
That is the problem, no? That is the problem. That means all the male members might be enjoying a lot of power in the house, and the females.
In fact, ma'am, neighbors didn't do anything.
Yes, ma'am, the neighbors also don't encourage any type of violence or domestication which
Support
is
for
done
her.
towards the female.
See, charity begins at home. First of all, the girl, the daughter should have, at least if she did not have enough guts, she should have taken somebody into confidence and reported the matter. She kept
Yes,
observing her
ma'am. She
mother
should
suffering
told
for
to
money.
Should
neighbors
ask her
to take
neighbors to do so.
initiatives.
At
Even if
least she
she
should
was
have
not
taken.
able to approach the
She
police, she would have done it with her neighbors, the Gram
Yes,
Panchayat,
ma'am.
or
Somebody.
with
anybody.
Ma'am, her
Yeah,
friends.
some relatives or someone.
exactly.
And
So
that was
there it
that is
is.
not the punishment. That
Exactly.
is what is required. And
Hmm.
this is not one incident. This is not one incident. Often we see how females are being
Yes.
exploited in the family and they hardly speak for their rights.
I think,
Ma'am,
ma'am, it is somewhere related to economic, financially being independent.
That is the main issue. That is why
Yes.
you would have seen that often your mothers quoting that they need you to be self dependent. Is it or not? And that is
Yes,
what is
Yes, ma'am.
required. So females are
thankfully
living
these
in the
days,
myth.
yes, thankfully
I,
these days, parents' first priority is not getting daughters married.
Yes, yes,
First
that is the
priority is
first
to make
priority.
them independent. Yes.
Independent. That is the first
Yes,
priority.
ma'am.
Gone are those days when the daughters they turn out to be 18 and the parents started thinking about their marriages. I don't think so. Even in the members, those who are there in the class today, even you would agree. Your
All of
parents don't
you,
want to your marriage.
yes.
Yes, you're 16, 17 years old now. The reference
Daughter's
is
education is more important these days compared to a son's education. If you see, daughters need to be more educated than sons. You know,
it's
there are
not a
so many
long
job
way.
profiles which at times you feel you will not be able to go or you will not be able to take up. So somewhere options become less. So when options become less, competition becomes higher. Please take your studies seriously, all of you, so that you are at a place. Can you ever think about a lady who is an district magistrate or he is a superintendent of police, or let me talk about a normal constable only. Can
Normal
you ever
concept.
think about normal constable on the road at raat mein 12 baje, 12:30 baje? Does she come across eve teasing?
Yes,
Yes,
of
ma'am.
course. Of
Yes,
course.
ma'am.
She also becomes a victim.
Ma'am,
She
If
is
even
she's
the
not
the
in
police
uniform.
constables and the
Yes,
district
ma'am. Even the
magistrates
man
in the form of
constable,
lady
men
Yes.
are
constable.
not given are
they
not
also
given respect
starting.
equal to the men constables because they are women.
They are women. See, and
Where,
this is the
where,
problem is
beta?
still there. This is what?
Yes, where? They don't speak out. They have given the same exam. They have faced the same competition to reach there. So why
And
don't
the
they speak out?
amount of the work given to the females are more because they are being that is being considered. That means they being taken for
Ma'am,
granted
but
they are capable to do.
ma'am, even if they speak, their voice is not raised because all the parliament, the Raj Bhavan, and everywhere men's are in dormancy.
Okay,
Their
boys,
voice
ऐसे नहीं
is not
बेटा,
raised.
ऐसा नहीं है,
men
नहीं
are
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. Don't
not
get
there.
demoralized. It is not so. No.
Even they can shout, they are very good. Women can, okay, but they don't.
Yes.
Okay, if we
Yes.
compare, let's have a combined class and let's see. Okay, let's see the frequency. Huh? What would you agree? The boys or the girls? Come on, tell me. Huh? Yeah, I think you will be better. No? You'll be able to shout better than boys, but you don't shout. You don't speak.
Ma'am, I think from the very starting, girls should be taught to fight against injustice because many don't come due to fear of the society. What will people say? I think no matter how many laws come, but I
Yeah.
think it's the very upbringing of the child, where whether it is a boy or a girl. I think apart from education, it's the basic parents' role where they can taught a boy or a girl like how the basic morals, like we can teach a girl from the very starting like the difference between the good touch and the bad touch.
That is
Many
fine.
parents
Yes. Many parents, what do? They hesitate to teach such things.
think that they should they should talk with the child about all this, but I think if see today's world, this is most the basic thing which like we can sit together and talk about this to the child, like
Talk about it. And that is what is required. Sit together with everyone in the family and discuss
Ma'am,
openly.
nowadays parents are busy in their own works.
Beta, no, they are not
And
that much.
children
They
are
will not
own.
take care. You're completely wrong. It
No,
is
no, no.
depends on those who maintain distance, beta. I will
Agreed,
correct
they
you
are busy
there.
in their work, beta. But even if they are busy in
But
their
even
work, they are doing
Ma'am,
it.
children are
No.
also busy in their works, and
Children are not
parents are
that
also.
busy.
So they.
Children are not that busy, beta.